I spent 6 years losing money. This strategy changed everything. I trade the strategy live Monday through Friday for free on YouTube. My schedule is posted in the free Discord so you'll know I'm going live. I call this strategy NNT. It is fully mechanical so you do not need any indicators. The link below will take you to a video that provides a deeper dive into the strategy. If you're looking to master market direction and gain more clarity, I've created a course within the mentorship to help you with that. You can also take advantage of a free 3-day trial of the mentorship, which includes full access to the course. Now let's get into the backtest and trade the strategy. So let me show you exactly how the strategy looks and everything. Let's get it over here. So let me get rid of my face here too, so you can see. Let's get rid of my face. Boom. All right. So we have a swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. We're looking for a sweep. Then we're creating a zone after the high gets taken. If it's bearish, we're waiting for the low to get taken. So then the sweep happens. Also, you can say break of structure. Then a tap on the zone, break of structure after the tap. And then you want it to reach one standard deviation. When SCDV means 100% away from the zone. And then we have our entry at 50%. Before we take this trade, we want to make sure there's less than 3 taps on the zone. So if we get no taps, perfect. If we get 3 taps, take the order off. If you want a more in-depth on the strategy, just click the link below and I talk about it. I talk about the swings, talk about everything else. The strategy works on any market and on any time frame. And if you want to get more clear direction, just take the trial of the mentorship so you can learn more clear direction. So let's get into the back test. I have my journal here, back test. And it shows the date, the time that we're back testing. I've already got my market direction already. And let's start doing this. So let's see if I see any setups right now. I see something here, but it's not something I would be interested in taking. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if it reached standard deviation here. Let's change this to, it did standard deviation was up here. So we got a sweep right here, tap on the zone, the swing high, the swing low, and then we would enter, we would put our order here. The only reason I'll take my order off is if we came down, price came back down and tapped 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, then I'll take my order off. Okay, so let's get rid of that drawing. Let's get into the back test here. Oops. I highly recommend too that you put some music on in the background because it'll be quite boring and quiet. And if you do want to hear me talk, so maybe just put on some like instrumental music. You can find free music on YouTube also, or like no ads. So let's see. Let me increase this speed on here so we can get some action. So currently all I really see is this play right here. Let's get rid of this right here. Do I see anything else? I do not. I trade the 5-second time frame live, so I just like to backtest on the 5-second because I traded so much. Man, I kind of want to take this play just because 50% is right in the middle of initial balance. The first hour open high and low, so I'm gonna put my order there. I really like it so far. We put our TP 1 tick above, put our stop 1 tick below. Let's get our Fibonacci here. Here it goes. This is 40%. If we touch 40%, then we touch the blue line. I take the order off. That means that the zone is mitigated, like the play has already taken place. So we're just waiting for something to happen. Don't see nothing here. These zones you're seeing, they're just previous zones that I marked out. Just gives me a clear direction on where we're going. This is a bigger zone up here. It's 50% in the bigger zone. Just waiting for something to happen. Don't want to say anything. Come on, buddy. extend this out. Let's increase speed a bit so we can get something going here. Sometimes I do have an issue of just going too fast and missing a play. The whole point of backtesting is to slow down and see, like, do more analysis than I can do live. But if I'm being honest here, trading has just been so boring because I'm just doing the same thing again and again and again. But that's what you want. So I did say a play here, but it's not something I would take. Yeah, I just did not like how it didn't really sweep anything. It swept this little bit of accumulation, but it was too ugly, so I didn't take it. And the tap, yeah, we didn't even get a break structure out of the tap, so it's not something I would have taken. Let's keep looking for something. The only play I'm interested in is the one below. And I stopped trading at 11 o'clock because volatility becomes unstable once again. And I like to trade only when volatility is stable. Hold on, let me just check something out here. Okay, I see something. If it breaks structure, I'll be interested in it. It needs to break this line right here for me to take it. And it did not. Let's see, what do I see here? Nothing, nothing, nothing. Just keep it moving. And I have the journal here, so if I take a trade, I'm going to journal the trade. Just so at the end of the week, I can go over all the trades I've taken live and while backtesting. Because I want to constantly improve. And I eventually want to get to taking more than 1,000 per trade. So we're seeing nothing here. We have any news coming up? Nope, no news coming up either. There's some nasty price action here. I see something that I kind of interested in. Let's see. No, that tap was too deep for me. I'm gonna pass on that actually. Let's see, what's this? Was this a play that I missed? Tap, break a structure. I did miss this play. 50%. Yeah, I would have taken an L because it barely missed TP. Yeah, I would have barely missed TP. Okay, let's keep it moving. Let's pause. I need to pause this recording. Okay, so still saying nothing here. Yeah, okay, let's keep it moving. This tap was just too deep. Oh, it failed 50% in TP. I just didn't like it because the tap was too deep. I can also use these fibs of 40%. I'll talk about this more in the mentorship course. Oh look, the tap didn't even reach 40%, so I could have taken it. That's what I get for just dismissing it. Should have checked first. Oh well, on to the next. This is why we backtest. Let me document this too. Gotta document my ignorance. Skipped this play because I thought the tap was too deep, but didn't even check. Okay, let's keep moving. So the tap right here I'm talking about. Getting an example. Tap, break of structure out of the tap. The sweep was up here. And then we had one tap. Oh, standard deviation, obviously. And then one tap. Came in, filled 50%, hit TP. Okay, let's get rid of these drawings. Let's get rid of this one too. Actually, we don't need this. I'll leave it here too, just to gauge direction on the market. Okay. Do I see anything to the upside? I do not. Okay. Oh, it's already past 11. Wow, that was fast. I really didn't find anything. I guess just that this play, due to my ignorance. Oh, I wouldn't even gotten failed because look how close it got. Here, let's skip to 12:30 because it's the time I trade. I only trade from 9:40 to 11 Central Time and 12:30 to 1:30 Central. And I live streamed the 9:40 to 11 o'clock time. And it feels like forever because I'm on the 5-second time frame. Okay, let's go to 12:30 real quick. Come on. Try not to skip it. Got an issue of zooming too fast. Okay, there we go. 12:30. Let's pause it. So okay, we're back in the session. Let's see if we see anything here. Nope. I see a zone being respected though, so I'll leave that out just in case. We can use this to understand that we're bearish or bullish still. Let me see if you reach standard deviation on here. Standard deviation. Yeah, 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap. Not gonna take that, but I'll leave it out. Let's make it green too, so it sticks out more. Okay, anything to the upside? Nope. Nope. Sloppy press action today, or during this back test. I really wish I can get a play to show you, but this is why we back test. No trade is better than a trade. Less is always more. Yeah, look, we're just trending up, doing nothing. Damn. Like, what is this? What's going on? And then we'll keep going till 1:30, and then we'll stop. Hopefully we get a play. Hopefully it's just like a losing play. That'd be awesome. Just so I can show you. But I have other backtest videos, and I trade live, so. And even the mentorship course, I have plays and stuff you can look at. And it's a free trial, so take advantage of it. Oh, come on. Give me something, buddy. Give me something. Don't want to force anything. Let's see. Anything here? Nope. It's like this, but this is like real sketchy. Let's see. Sweet. You know what? I'll put my order on this. Put TP here. I stop. Take below. Put the fibs here to make sure we don't fail 40. Let's see. Let me pause it for a second. Okay, just making sure everything's clear. So we have a sweep right here. Tap on the zone. Break a structure after the tap. Standard deviation. Let's see. Do we have a zone up here? Or more likely we'll reject. Let's see. Something I wanted to check here. Any more? Nope. Seems like, yeah, no resistance. Just that zone above. Okay. Let it play out. Just trying to find a reason to not take this trade, but I'll leave my order on. This is something I would consider taking live. Here's another play. This one's like very clean too. Oof. Take back what I said about it being clean. Let's see, 40%. I'm interested in this. See if you reach standard deviation. It did. Okay, let's move back at 40%. Consider this. I want a reaction to this zone before entering 50%, solely because there's a zone above, and that can really rip price down. So I want a reaction to it. Let's see, let's slow it down a bit. If I don't get a reaction to the zone, I'm taking this order off. This is what I normally do when I'm trading live. Let's get this more at 50%. TP here. And then my stop, 1 tick below. Okay, let's see if we get a reaction to the zone. I'll pause it. I'm liking that so far. I'm liking it. Let's double check we have less than 3 taps. I didn't double check that. I want to see the V. Aye. There it goes. Yeah. Okay, we're good. We're still good. Let's change it back to 40%. All right. Kind of not liking this play anymore just because we're really rejecting the zone above. And normally when that happens, we just slice through the zone below. Let's see. I want a reaction before entering. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay. It's 1, 2. All right, there we go. Let's see if we filled 40 there. Let's see. You don't have to do this 40%, but I do it just to be more selective. Okay, so standard deviation, 2, 3. Okay. If we break this eternal structure right here and tap again, I'm taking this order off. Ooh, that got really close to 40. I'm not liking this. We're chopping this way too much. Okay, I'm taking my order off. This is just way too sloppy. I'm not taking that trade no more. I do not like it when we chop a zone too much because I just clarify it as mitigated. Mitigated mean that the zone's no longer tradable. Is there anything that I missed to the upside? I did not. There's something. This is like way too small. No, just leave it. Okay. I'm curious if it's gonna hit TP or not. 50% got failed. See if take profit gets hit. Take profit did not get hit. That's why I took it off, because it was just chopping it way too much. Let's see if this zone gets filled here. I'm now not liking this play below just because we sliced through with a lot of strength. And I don't like that because we can just start becoming bearish and just bust through this also. Let's see. I want a reaction to the zone. If I don't get a reaction, I'm taking my order off. Ooh, and 130 is about to hit too, so don't want to take any trades after 130. Normally for the afternoon session, I only find like 1 or 2 plays, but most of the time I really find nothing. I normally do find plays, so from 9:40 to 11 a.m. Central. Yeah, I'm like liking this play less and less and less. I don't know. I'm not liking this anymore. It's like teasing me before we bust through. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'll take this order off, honestly. I'm not getting the reaction I want. Let's see. Yeah, I'm taking this order off. See what happens. 50% got failed. Let's see if TP gets hit. Oh, and take profit got hit. That's awesome. So why did I take my order off? I did not like how we were swimming above it after we rejected the zone above. So let me document this. I took no trades during the session, but you just saw a clear play out, and I'll go over it with you real quick, just so you can be educated. Okay, let me write this down, just so I have it for the journal. Okay, let's paste it here. I took my order off last second because we didn't get a full reaction to the zone before entering, and I didn't like how much we were accumulating before entering, and we rejected the high time frame zone above and sliced through the zone above that was holding through. Hold on, zone above. Okay, and here's a picture of that. Okay, so let me show you what we're looking for here. Let's get rid of this here. Oops, jeez, there it goes. Sorry. Then we'll end the video after I show you. So here's a drawing. Control. Okay, so we have a sweep right here. I swept it. So this price takes a sweep, come up, break the swing high. We tap on the zone, break a structure after the tap. So then we leave our order on. If we get more than 3 taps after standard deviation, 100% away from the zone, then we take the order off. And this is just, standard deviation is just 2 zones away, 100%. So that's standard deviation right there. So after the line has been crossed, we want less than 3 taps. We had 0 taps. I ideally wanted a reaction because of what happened up here. But if you weren't looking for one, you would just left your order here. Came at 50%, hit take profit. And let me just draw it for you. 50% right here, take profit. And you would have been up a 1 win on the day. And that is it. And then let me just fill this out. 0 risk per trade. I normally risk 100, so just say it's 100. Manage GD, yes, that's limiting my trades. Mental, super equilibrium. session, afternoon and morning. I took 0 trades. And then leave a comment. Took orders off, didn't like price action on the day. Was being selective. I think that's it. That concludes our video. Check the Discord out, check the mentorship out, take advantage of that 3 free day trial. And I think that is it. Take care, stay solid. Your losses should be only due to probability. If you need a mechanical strategy, let me be your mentor and follow me. Drop everything you know about trading and stick to me. I'll get you to 0 to 100. All right, take care. Thank you for watching.